Hey guys, I made pizza with some of my homemade mozzarella cheese. I used a pre-baked, very thin crust that I got from the health food store and some already made pizza sauce. I didn't want to go to a whole bunch of trouble to make everything homemade because I just really wanted to test the cheese. It's got the sauce, some black pepper, some dried oregano. Then I put a layer of cheese, and then I put some black olives and fresh basil, and then I put more cheese on it. And I actually cooked it in a very large, low, enameled cast iron pot with a lid. The pizza fit perfectly in the bottom. Cooked it on low heat. Preheated it for about an hour. Cooked it on low heat because I wanted the cheese to melt. So I thought maybe cooking it in a covered pan would help it out. And I cooked it for about 12 minutes. And you know, if you wanted to reproduce this, you wouldn't have to cook it on the stovetop. If you don't have the kind of pan that I used, you could cook it in the oven. Very crispy crust. I think you can also read the label for sure, because I don't buy them, but I think those ready-made like Pillsbury pizza dough in the cardboard tube that you smack open, I think those are accidentally vegan. I think I've seen vegans using those for recipes, so you could check that out if you don't mind that kind of highly processed stuff. But this is wonderful. This is this is better than Miyoko's vegan mozz. I think I followed her recipe, but I think I made a few changes. Mine is it just has a better flavor. It's not that tangy. Mozzarella, fresh mozzarella is not supposed to be tangy and aged tasting, and this is just perfect. So I want to take another bite. Yummy. Good sauce too. Muir Glen, organic. Got that at the health food store too. So the recipe will be on my blog. I will link to my previous video as always. I will link to the using homemade vegan dairy foods and recipes playlist. I will link to this on my blog, this recipe on my blog, although it's pretty simple, you know, throw together pizza. I'll also link to the mozzarella recipe. Thank you as always for watching, especially for watching until the end. Thank you for commenting, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. So far there's only one person sharing. Then I get notifications. He shares on his community tab. And thanks for everyone who's been a long time subscriber. I will see you later, guys.